Do you know about the new home buyer grant programs that are out there? Have you ever heard of free money? I've got some answers for you coming up. Hi, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area here on the Florida Suncoast. I hope these little 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Of course, please hit the subscribe button below, subscribe, and check out hundreds and hundreds of quick real estate tips. They're fast, they're free, and they're easy. Now, back to our question. Do you know about home buyer grant programs? A recent study said buyers want information, and that's the information they're missing: home buyer grants. Here's what I found. 53% of home buyers feel like they don't know about these grants. They find out about them too late. And it makes sense. Why is this so important right now? It's gotten more challenging to go buy a home with mortgage rates and home prices where they are. And buyers want to be sure they're taking advantage of any kind of resources available. I pull up some properties, they have 75 grants. Here's what I can tell you about this. There are over 2,000 programs designed to help you with upfront costs, like your down payment. And they're not just for first-time home buyers, and they're not just for military members. The programs are going to vary by location, but you could get thousands of dollars worth of help quickly and easily if you qualify. And that can make a big difference today. It can make the difference of getting in the home this year or 2 years from now. So if you want more information on what's available and what you could qualify for, of course, reach out to me. I'll be able to hook you up with a trusted lender, and we can look at all the programs involved in the houses you're interested in. Finally, we get calls and emails every day from people just like you, looking for help making their move to the Florida Suncoast. And we love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. You can see homes anytime right here on the Florida Suncoast, on or near the beach at MrBeachHouse.com.